we're going to pick the winners. I know, guys, the title says it's late. I apologize. I lost track, got busy with stuff, lost track. But what we're going to do is we're going to give away the 2 items, the 2 custom knives. So stand by for a second. I'm going to get everything set up and we will get the random number generator, random comment generator set up, and we will pick the winner. All right, guys, we are on the YouTube random comment picker. We will add the video, and then we will find, we're going to filter duplicate users. And let's see here. There we go. Let's see how many comments we've got, because I know there was a lot of replies and stuff on this one. 167. So the first one we're going to do is for this knife. So the first one is for this knife. Let's go ahead and do this. Generating. Gary Graham. So there we go. So it's Gary Graham. So that's the first one. And I'm just going to basically add another comment picker. Random. Pardon. We're just going to do another page. That way I can do this. So we're going to add again. Once again, we'll add this. Paste. And filter duplicate users. Get YouTube comments. We should come up with the same number again. 167. So the winner of this knife is what we're doing right now. So Gary Graham, you win the first one. And here comes the second one. Zachary Sprayberry. So there we go. Just a real quick winner pick. I haven't closed these cabinet doors. I apologize for the fact that we did it late, but holidays are a rough time for me. Like I said, my dad passed away on Christmas a couple years ago. It's been kind of rough. And we decorated a tree, and my family's all off, so it's been family time. So, guys, to you guys winners, congratulations. I will do the giveaway of the stonefish for the paying members probably later today, maybe tomorrow. I'll film that. There's a video that is going up in a couple hours. You guys will see that shortly. So, guys, thank you all for being part of this. Like I said, almost $1,000 worth of stuff right here between these 2 knives. So take it easy, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.